G'day YouTube, JB from Roz. Another quick example of a 3D printed object. Trying to figure out how to hang some curtains, and essentially I've come up with this little plug that I've just drawn up. Real quick, easy pattern design. Brought it into my 3D printing layout compositing program. Going to print 4 copies of it, and I've started printing that there. The idea here being it's sitting inside an expanding stainless steel rod. We're going to go wall to wall, and these will be hidden inside the rod, and rather than trying to find a fixing at the hardware shop, this was real cheap and easy. Alright, print is finished. Real simple bushings, they feel quite solid. Now to put it on the wall. Okay. Ready to put into hole. Hammer him home. Okay, here's the finished result. Invisible curtain rack. Job done. Thanks for watching.